Arthritis is one of the most common health conditions, yet there's still a lot of misinformation about it. From who it affects to what actually helps manage the symptoms, many myths have been passed down for years, some of which could be preventing people from getting the right care. In this video, we're breaking down the biggest myths from arthritis and separating fact from fiction. Whether you or someone you know is living with arthritis, understanding the truth can make a real difference. So let's get started. Is this a fact or myth? Only older people get arthritis.
Myth. Arthritis can affect people of all ages, including children. Juvenile arthritis is a condition that affects kids, and some types of arthritis, like rheumatoid arthritis, are autoimmune diseases that can develop at any age.
Number two, cracking your knuckles causes arthritis.
Myth. There is no scientific evidence that cracking knuckles leads to arthritis. However, excessive cracking may weaken grip strength over time.
Weather changes can sometimes worsen arthritis symptoms.
Fact, weather changes can sometimes worsen arthritis symptoms, but it does not cause arthritis itself.
Exercise helps arthritis.
Fact, low impact exercises like swimming, walking, and yoga can actually help manage arthritis by improving joint flexibility and reducing stiffness.
Arthritis can be completely cured.
Myth, there is no cure for most types of arthritis, but treatments like medication, physical therapy, and lifestyle changes can help manage symptoms.
If you have arthritis, you should avoid moving the affected joint.
Myth, staying active is important to prevent stiffness and maintain joint function. Resting too much can actually make symptoms worse.
There are over 100 different types of arthritis.
Fact, there are many different types of arthritis.
Diet has no effect on arthritis.
Myth, some foods like those rich in omega-free fatty acids found in fish, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory spices like turmeric may help reduce inflammation. On the flip side, processed foods and excessive sugar may worsen symptoms.
Different types of arthritis require different treatments.
Fact, osteoarthritis is often managed with pain relief, exercise, and weight management, while rheumatoid arthritis may have require immune suppressing drugs.
Heat is always better than ice for arthritis pain.
Myth, heat helps loosen stiff joints and relax muscles, while ice can reduce swelling and numb pain. The best choice depends on the type of arthritis and symptoms.
You should avoid all weightlifting if you have arthritis.
Myth, strength training can actually help by supporting joints and improving mobility, as long as it's done correctly with low impact and proper form.
Thanks for listening to our presentation from Steps Ahead for Arthritis. Please follow our Instagram and let's check out our website.
So this is our website, Steps Ahead for Arthritis. So what is arthritis, you might ask? Arthritis is a general term for conditions that cause inflammation in one or more joints. These conditions typically result in pain, stiffness, and limited range of motion. Arthritis can affect people of all ages and has various causes, including wear and tear, autoimmune diseases, and infections. Fun facts about arthritis are that women are more likely to have arthritis than men. In the US, 54.4 million adults have been diagnosed with arthritis, and there are more than 100 types of arthritis. So, types of arthritis. The most common is osteoarthritis. It's often called wear and tear arthritis. It occurs when the cartilage that cushions the ends of bones in your joints gradually breaks down, and it commonly affects the knees, hips, hands, and spine. So, another type of arthritis is rheumatoid arthritis. This is an autoimmune disease where the body immune system mistakenly attacks its own joints, leading to inflammation and joint damage. And it commonly affects the hands, wrists, knees, and feet. And some other types of arthritis are psoriatic arthritis, gout, ankylosing spondylitis, and septic arthritis. And a quote we wanted to talk about is a quote we want to share that inspired us is the pain hasn't stopped, but it hasn't stopped me.
Let's look at another one of our pages. Sue's story. Lacing Up for Hope, How the Jingle Bell Run is Fighting Arthritis. Story. And these are some pretty good organizations that are dedicated to arthritis, such as the Arthritis Foundation, American Arthritis Foundation, OA, Creaky Joints. Feel free to check out our website and